Today's glitch is about consider an accountability buddy. Glitch number 2, January 2nd, 2024 is off to a 2-day start. What better time than to join forces with another ambitious business owner? And here's another quote that I love that I had to include in this project. Learn from the mistakes of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. Thank you, Eleanor Roosevelt, for that.
We are accountability partners.
To each other.
Yeah. We, in the last 7-8 months, we're, trying to trim down the COVID pounds. And we decided that walking, as you can see from the photo back, the window back here, we live in the country. And the roads are beautiful to walk on and not too dangerous. Our accountability for each other is one day, like a day like today, I don't want to go.
I might say,
but my partner says, we got to go. We have to do X number of steps.
We'll feel much better afterwards. And also, it's a way to kind of maybe have a meeting. It's like we're on a walk.
I love how you take it right into a business perspective.
We talk about some
things. We're going to lunch. Can we talk about business? What's tax deductible?
That's different.
Okay, that's not accountability.
But anyway, so the glitch for today about having an accountability partner may not be for everybody. The goal is for this glitch is to determine, is that something that you think you would benefit by having an accountability buddy? And the actionable item is to, if you have someone in mind that you trust, that you think is credible, that you admire, then you want to interview them to see if it would be a mutually beneficial arrangement to have an accountability buddy.
Or interview multiple people. Maybe the actionable item is to just make up a list. Say, okay, I'm in a group, a networking group, or I know a couple of business owners that are in the same field or in my same physical community or my same online community. And pick out, 2 or 3, 7 or 8 people. And then do a gentle approach message. Mm-hmm. Hey, is this something that you'd be interested in doing? And then interview people.
The very early stages of this channel, we also did a video podcast on accountability. And so that'll be in the description, as well as probably popping up right here, or right there, or right there, right there.
Somewhere around here, probably right there.
So thank you for joining us for January 2nd, glitch number 2.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the little bell so you get a reminder for all of our glitches every day, all year long for 2024 leap year.
That's right.